Yeah, we're in Texas Falls again. A couple of weeks ago we were here with Betsy and it was too slippery. She didn't want to go any further on the trail. So now we're back, but when we came here it was super quiet and we were like, well, how's that possible? Because there was a lot of water.
Yeah, but today not anymore. Well, there is water, but most of it is frozen. So the water that runs through the waterfall is underneath the ice. So you will see it. And a difference between the previous vlogs about Texas Fall is that this time we brought our donated by one of our loyal viewers, drone with us. So we'll take some beautiful aerial shots of the waterfall here at Texas Falls in Hancock, Vermont.
Are still good?
Yeah.
Didn't slice them?
I'm still alive. No, I got them all.
You're the best.
Phew, I'm exhausted from the long hike. Shall we sit on the bench?
Yeah, come, sit down.
It is here, somewhere, 2 feet below. So maybe you thought I was kidding about the bench that was 2 feet below. Well, this is the path we're walking on, but
Show
look,
it.
when I put my foot in here. Look, it's this deep. Ooh.
Come closer. We forgot to tell you that the hiking trail is 1 mile, so it's not that far. But they say you walk for an hour, but I'm not sure about that. Let's see. Come on. funny because underneath this snow and ice you can still hear the water. Where's your car?
I hear it, but I don't know where it is. Where's my car?
There it is.
Oh, found it.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.